The overall goal of this procedure is to set up a highly reproducible in vitro model of rat blood-brain barrier. This is accomplished by removing the optic nerves, the cerebellum, and the meninges under a stereo microscope, then separating the two cerebral hemispheres and dissecting them to obtain a clean piece of cortex. The second step is to isolate the microvessels from the cortex by enzymatic treatment and density-dependent centrifugation. Next, the microvessels are plated and incubated with puromycin to purify the endothelial cells from contaminating cells such as parasites. Pure cultures of rat brain endothelial cells proliferate until cells reach 90% confluence. The final step is to induce differentiation of the rat brain endothelial cells by the cells in the upper chamber of the insert filters and by co-culturing them with rat astrocytes that have been previously prepared and plated. Ultimately, the differentiated brain endothelial cell monolayer can be characterized by the expression of specific tight junction proteins and by the permeability index of a reference compound across the endothelial cell monolayer from the upper compartment.
The in vitro BBB models, such as the one presented here, are useful to explore the cellular distribution of key molecules and to unravel basic cellular and molecular mechanisms of BBB function. In particular, such models allow the exploration of BBB receptors, their involvement in endocytosis, trafficking, and transcytosis. In our hands, the in vitro BBB models are mainly used to investigate the targeting of specific receptors